Cooking time. Potato. Onion. Mini peppers. Potato. Onion. Mini peppers. Garlic salt. Zatarans. What I did was try to layer them. Olive oil. I keep it in a plastic bag so I don't leak it. Only has to happen once for me to learn. And there is my customary foil pack. Alright, as I said, we're going to celebrate arriving in Canada with a London broil. And first, I'm going to put some Famous Dave's steak and burger seasoning. Chipotle roasted garlic. Oh, that also smells nice. Nice and sweet. Yes, sriracha. Smush, smush, smush. Flip. The roasted garlic again. A little bit of the Famous Dave's. Whoa, a little bit too much of the Famous Dave's. Sriracha again. And zip it closed. Zip it. Massage it. And we'll let it marinate now. Alright. On goes to London. Timer started 3 minutes. Flipping time. Started up another 3. Alright. Flip it. Turn it off. Restart it. Alright, I just fired the grill back up. That is done. Potatoes. Shut up. And the rest of it's going to rest, and the potatoes will keep cooking. Another beautiful London broil. Oh yeah, that came out well. Came out perfect. That's a good one. Nice. And the potatoes and stuff. Look at that juiciness. Look at that juicy on the plate. That's closer to what I like. Got some red to it. Alright, I'm doing it Canada style, having a great and wonderful day. Second flyover. Beautiful. Have a second great and wonderful day. Oh, YouTubers, that was really good. I just want to vent for a second here. If you have a pet, like, there's camper neighbors, well, they're not far away. I guess it happens in Canada, too. They got this dog tied up to a tree, like 20 feet away from the rest of the family, and all they're doing is yelling at it. You know, no, 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 no. Why you bring your animal? And if you bring your animal, treat it right. Crap, mine dictate how I RV. Alright, just wanted to vent that. Some people shouldn't have pets. Finally a campfire, using my fire starters that I make at home. They work great. I'm going to let this go slow for a second so you can see how great they actually work. Not a huge roaring campfire, but finally getting some smoke on me on this camping trip to Canada. That's it, YouTubers. A good meal and a good campfire in Canada. Have a great and wonderful day.